Hello YouTube, it's me again. Today I'm going to be shooting my homemade guy with my M4A1 carbine. There you have it.